Hey, how's it going? Lewis from Piano Buddy. I'm back here at San Antonio College, and today I am cleaning a Yamaha Baby Grand, and I wanted to make a video to show you the inside of the piano before I clean it, so that way you can see the level of debris that is in here. It's quite a bit of dust. The dust on the dampers. A lot of this in the tuning pin area is pretty caked on, so I'm gonna do my best to get as much of that off as I can. Soundboard is full of dust. We're gonna get all that off. Gonna get in all these nooks and crannies, clear out all this debris. I'll show you the inside of the case and underneath the key bed as well, but I just wanted to show you a before look at this piano before I clean it, and you will see the after look here in a moment. Okay, so I pulled the action and I wanted to give you a tour inside the case here. All this dust. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. Then I'm gonna show you the action. This thing is very, very, very dirty. It's got some pretty caked up dust. Yeah. Well, this is the before, and I will show you the after. Okay, so I have the action pulled out. I have all the keys pulled up. You can see the key frame here, really dirty. A whole bunch of debris, coffee straw. Nice. So all I did here was I popped off the whipping assembly. I'm sorry, the guide rail that has all the whippings on it, which goes back here, and pull that off. Pull the keys up, and I'm gonna get the keys cleaned up as well, and then I will show you what it looks like after it's all cleaned up. Okay, so I got everything cleaned up and I wanted to show you the difference here. Things nice and clean. Nice white keys and a key bed all vacuumed up. Everything looking good. I'm going to throw the whippings back on, and then I'm going to throw this back inside the piano. All right, so we're all cleaned up here. And the inside of the cabinet here looking really good. Nice and shiny. Got around the tuning pin area. I was able to get this shining a bit more, but if I want to get in here, I'm gonna have to get in here with something damp to get this stuff off the tuning pin or off the plate, but a lot of these strings already have rust, so I'm not even gonna mess with that. So that area I scrubbed as best I could, and over here shining with the logo. Soundboard looking nice and pretty. There's some debris on there that I could not scrub off. Again, I would have to dampen my soundboard sweepers, and we got rust on the string, so I'm not gonna do that. And the rest of the plate here looking nice and shiny. So I'm gonna throw the action in, and that'll be it for this piano cleaning. Okay, so I threw the action back in and I was testing the keys, and I noticed that this D here, actually I noticed this during the semester, and I wanted to fix it, and so you can see the hammer is getting wedged up there. I'm gonna pull this back out to see if I can maybe move over the hammer, the hammer shank just a little bit, but if not, this is adjusting the hammer itself there, or the hammer head, like that's a little bit more in depth, but I'm gonna pull this action out and adjust this real quick. So to make that quick adjustment on the hammer here, I loosen this screw up right here, and then I shifted the hammer a little bit to the side, and so now it's equal between these other two, right in between, right? So we got a good action going here. So I hope you enjoyed that video of me cleaning this Yamaha Baby Grand piano. It's always good for you to keep your piano clean. In this case, The tuning pin area, I could only dislodge so much of the debris because that's years of caked up dirt. And the strings are rusted, so I can't really use a damp brush to dislodge that debris, and so there's some complications there. But that could have been avoided if the tuning pin area was clean on a regular basis. Also, the soundboard, make sure you keep your soundboard nice and clean, keep anything off of it so that way you get that nice crisp sound. And also the key area, all the things that fall in between the keys and underneath, they can affect the touch and feel of the key area. So dirty piano, it can affect the performance in some cases. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll be making some more of these, as well as other videos on little technical issues that I run into as I clean these pianos. And I hope that those are informative for you so you can take care of your own piano or get into piano technology as well. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. And this is Lewis again, your piano buddy.